Way back years ago, Tom Peters and Robert Waterman introduced the McKinsey Sevens model in the 80s to analyze the internal elements that determine an organization's success. However, change leaders and managers have reaped the rewards from applying this model to change management over the years. Stay tuned to know what is McKinsey Sevens model and how can it aid your change initiative. The McKinsey Sevens model of change management is a framework that links organizational change to organizational design. It helps change managers manage transitions by working with 7 interconnected elements known as the 7S. These 7 key elements include structure, strategy, systems, shared values, skill, style, staff. There are 2 elements, hard elements and the soft elements. Problematic elements are easily identifiable elements under the management's control. They include strategy. Strategy represents your company's plan for achieving its goals and gaining a competitive advantage. Structure. Structure refers to your company's hierarchy, the chain of command, and reporting relationships. Systems. Systems are the daily activities the employees perform to keep the business running. The remaining elements in the Sevens model fall under this category. They are culture-driven and challenging to define. Shared values. These are your company's core values. In the model's design, we place this element at the center to show that it affects the other elements. It is where the other elements originate. Style. This is your organization's leadership and management style. Staff. This is your company's human resources. Skills. Skills refer to the competencies and capabilities of your staff members. Next, applying the McKinsey Sevens model of change management. In 5 steps, you can apply the McKinsey Sevens model for your change initiative. Step 1. Identify gaps. Start your change process by searching for gaps in your organization's performance. Analyze the hard and soft elements individually to understand where you lack alignment. From there, the top management will know what elements require modifications or if an organizational change is necessary. Step 2. Figure out the optimal organizational design. After identifying the gaps and the necessary changes to attain alignment, you can determine your organization's ideal design. However, this process isn't straightforward. Research extensively with your team and discuss with key stakeholders to discover your optimal organizational design. Once you can envision the new organizational structure, you can start planning your changes. Step 3. Develop an action plan. Now that you know your optimal organization design, developing a comprehensive action plan is time. Your action should include all the steps the company will take to arrive at the ideal structure. Step 4. Execute the change. You can start making the necessary changes, but you must be careful. If not, your change initiative may fail. You can choose change leaders or hire a change management specialist to ease the process. Step 5. Review your results. The elements in the Sevens model are constantly evolving. After completing the change, continue tracking them and make necessary updates. Now, you know the 5 steps of McKinsey Sevens model of change management. Please don't start your project without our communication plan template. Just visit www.simpleslides.co/blog for more communication plan templates. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like and share it with your friends. And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.